Good morning, children. I am Mrs. Shalini Machado, and today we'll be doing maths. In last chapter, we did Roman numerals. I hope you have completed it in notebook. Today, let us begin with math chapter 2, that is number work. Children, you have learned to read and write numbers in decimal system using the 10 digits from 0 to 9. They are also called international numerals. You have studied even in Marathi, Devanagari numerals, or even in Hindi. What is Devanagari, children? Devanagari script is used to write many Indian languages such as Hindi, Marathi, Sanskrit, Konkani, etc. You can see here Devanagari numerals. You are done in Hindi and Marathi. We'll even see place and place value. Here the number is 9 crore 60 lakhs 47,538. You can see how the numbers are written and their place value. So let us begin with the problem set. Problem set 2. You can refer to your textbook for the question. Using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write 10 each of 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit numbers. Read the numbers. Children, I have written here 5 each of 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit and 5 digit numbers. Students, remaining 5 of each 2, 3, 4 and 5 you have to do on your own. You can use any of the digit from 0 to 9. We'll read some of them. 21, 36, 401, 739, 8,705, 9,002, 10,000, 85,621. You can use any of the digit, children, and you can write 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit and 5 digit. Rest part is the homework for you. It is very easy and I hope that you can do it. So we'll go to question number 2. Fill in the blanks in the table. Here, either the number is given in Devanagari numeral or international number, or numbers are written in words. We have to fill in the blanks. We'll begin with second. First one is already solved in textbook. Here it is given in Devanagari. So you have to write in international numeral. You can write unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. What's the number? 32,756. We'll go to next one. Here it is given in international numerals. First we'll write in Devanagari. What's the number? 67,859. We'll go to the fourth. Here it is given in Devanagari numeral. So we'll write in international numeral first. One thousand and 34. Next, last one. Here the number is given in words. We have to write in Devanagari as well as international numeral. What is the number? 27,835. First we'll write in international numeral. $27,895. I hope it's clear to you, students. We'll go to question number 3. You can refer to your textbook now. As a part of the Avoid Plastic project, Zilla Parichay schools made and provided paper bags to provision stores and greengrocers. Read the taluka wise number of the bags and write the number in words. Kopargaon, Shevgaon, Karzat, Sangamner. Kopargaon. What's the number, students? 12,740. Next, Shevgaon. What is the number? 28,095. Next, Karzat, 31,608. Sangamner, 10,972. We'll go to question number 2. Question number 4. How many rupees do they make? 20 notes of 1000 rupees, 5 notes of 100 rupees, and 14 notes of 10 rupees. Students, 20 notes of 1000 makes 20,000. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 and 4 zeros. 5 notes of 100, that gives you 500 rupees. 14 notes of 10 gives you 140 rupees. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 0 plus 0, 4. 5 plus 1 plus 0, 6. 0 and 2. We get 20,640 rupees. Question number 2. "15 notes of 1000 rupees, 12 notes of 100 rupees, 8 notes of 10 rupees, and 5 coins of 1 rupee. 15 notes of 1000 gives you 15,000. 12 notes of 100 gives you 1200. 8 notes of 10 gives you 80 rupees. 5 coins of 1 rupee give you 5 rupees. If you add them, 5, 8, 2, 6, 1. That is 16,285 rupees. Now we'll go to next question. Write the biggest and the smallest 5-digit number that can be made using the digits 4, 5, 0, 3, 7 only once. Now children, to write the biggest number, we'll write the numbers in descending order. So 7 is the biggest number. 7, 5, 4, 3, 0. That is 75,430. Now the digits are 4, 5, 0, 3 and 7. And we want 5-digit number. So we cannot write 0 in the first place, because if we write 0 in the first place, we will get 4-digit number. And to get the smallest number, we have to write in ascending order. So we will write 3, 0, 4, 5, 7. This is the smallest. 0 we are written in the second place because we want 5-digit number. Now we will go to question number 6. The names of some places and their populations are given below. Use this information to answer the questions that follow. Children, use your textbook. Tala, 40,642. Gaganbawada 35,777. Budwad 91,256. Moregaon 87,012. Bhamragad 35,950. Vele 54,497. Asti 76,201. Vashi 92,173. Morwada 85,890. Question number 1. Which place has the greatest population? What is its population? Children, here all the numbers are 5 digits. So if we see in Vashi and Budwada, the first number is 9. So out of this, if you see, here is second place 91 is 92. So Vashi has the biggest number of population. And what it is? 92,173. So which has the greatest population? Vashi. Its population is 92,173. I hope it's clear to you, children. We'll go to question number 2. Which place, Morwada or Moregaon, has a greater population? Children, I have written Morwada's population and Moregaon's population. Morwada 85,890. Moregaon 87,012. So which is bigger number, children? 8587. Yeah. Moregaon has a greater population. Question number 3. Which place has the smallest population? How much is it? Here, Bhamragad and Gaganbawada has 3 in the first digit. So if you see here 35 same, here is 9. So if you see here Gaganbawada has 7. So which is the smallest number out of all this number? 35,777. So Gaganbawada. How much it is? 35,777. I hope it is clear to you, children. You are expected to complete this in your maths notebook. We'll continue problem set 3 in the next video.